Grammar Lesson 4. Personal pronouns. We already know the personal pronouns from Lesson 1. I, you, she, he, it, we, you, and they. But sometimes the personal pronouns can serve as an object in a sentence, and then we have to say it differently. I, me. Help me. You, you. I need you. She, her. Help her. He, him. Help him. It, it. Drink it. We, us. Help us. You, you. I need you. They, them. Help them. Present simple tense. We use this tense to speak about things in general. General situations, general conditions, general truth. We also use it for repeated actions. Every day, every evening, every year, every week. Or seldom, sometimes, usually, always, often, never, ever, and others. The positive sentence has the structure as you know it. Swamped. Subject, verb, object, manner, place, time. Be careful because in a third person singular, which is she, he, and it, we have to add the ending s. I drink. You drink. She drinks. He drinks. It drinks. We drink. You drink. They drink. If you need to add the frequency adverbs like sometimes, usually, often, never, ever, these go before the main verb. I usually drink. She often drinks. We never drink. If you want to make a question, you will need an auxiliary verb, a helping verb, do, or in a third person singular, does. Do I speak English? Do you speak English? Does she speak English? Does he speak English? Does it speak English? Do we speak English? Do you speak English? Do they speak English? The same follows after questions with what, why, when. What do you need? When do you start? Where do you live? What does he want? Where does Thomas live? And in negative, You also need auxiliary verbs do and does, plus not. I do not live here, but we use short forms, don't. In a third person, doesn't. So do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. I don't speak English. You don't speak English. She doesn't speak English. He doesn't speak English. It doesn't speak English. We don't speak English. You don't speak English. They don't speak English. Imperative. You already know the imperative from lesson 2. This means command or request, and we use the infinitive without to. Do it. Play. Sleep. Go there. For us, the first person plural, we say let's. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's dance. Today we're going to learn negative imperative. We simply add do not or don't. Don't do it. Don't go there. Don't sleep. And for us, for we say let's not. Let's not dance. Let's not go. Let's not play. We have already learned the verb to have. In British colloquial English, they very often say, I've got. The question is, have I got? And the negative, I haven't got. She has got, or she's got. Has she got? She hasn't got. They sometimes use it also in American English, but from now on we will use it different way. I have. Do I have? I don't have. You have. Do you have? You don't have. She has. Does she have? She doesn't have. He has. Does he have? He doesn't have. It has. Does it have? It doesn't have. We have. Do we have? We don't have. You have. Do you have? You don't have. They have. Do they have? They don't have.